First things first, let's give you the links so you guys can go and have a look at it. It is at anti-audience affiliate-program.amazon.com. Now, most folks don't realize this, but Amazon's got a brilliant affiliate program. I actually think it's the biggest affiliate program in the world, is their affiliate program. And you can earn a commission between 2% and I think the highest is 10% now on selling products that you don't own. So, back in the day, Amazon's affiliate program was just getting started, and I was living in the UK, and I was one of their top affiliates for Amazon. I used to do affiliate marketing, heaps and heaps of affiliate marketing, holy shit. And Amazon was one of my best paying affiliate programs, best earning affiliate program. Some of their products, they were paying out at 20% commission. So if I sold, for instance, a flat screen TV, and there was £1,000, I would get 200 quid for selling that TV for them, all right? So if I'm getting 200 quid, how much money can I spend on marketing if I'm getting 200 quid as a commission? What's my marketing capital that I've got? Who's got an idea of that? 199, exactly, Sarah. So I can spend up to 199 quid and to make a sale and still make a profit, albeit a small profit, but still some profit. I think the best week that I had doing this was about £50,000 in a week in profit. Not some, bullshit. I spent 199 quid to make a quid kind of thing in profit. So it's a very, very cool program. And I was doing that. And basically my entire strategy was that for flat screen TVs, I would go and look at the model number, and this is really important for you to grasp the implications of this, and you'll understand why in a second. So I would look at the model number for the TV. Let's just say it was a Panasonic Viera LG 42 DXi, and that was the model number for the TV, okay? So I would get all the model numbers for all these different TVs, and I would just run Google advertising on the model numbers for the TVs. Now, why does that work so well, do you think? The model numbers of the TVs. Why does that work so well, do you think? What do you reckon? What would be your guess as to why that works? Neil says that's how people look for them. Now, that is correct, but if they are searching for the model number, whereabouts are they in their cycle? Steve, people about to buy. Spot on, Steve Oliver. That's exactly what it is. So when somebody searches for the model number of something, they have already done all their research. They have decided the TV that they want to buy, and now they're looking for that exact TV. All right? The implications of that are brilliant for you, because you can use that information for your PPC campaigns and things like that as well. So you should definitely do that. All right, so that's what I was doing, and it was working really, really well. I was getting 20% commission on flat screen TVs, and I had thousands of different products I was promoting. Best week was 50,000 quid. It was a good time of year to be an affiliate. And then what happened was Amazon and Google fell out, and Google no longer allowed you to run the affiliate links as what's called a destination URL in Google, meaning you could no longer use Google to run affiliate programs through. You couldn't do that anymore. So it killed that business. And so I moved to SEO, and we were doing little SEO websites. And again, we started doing that, and that worked really, really well. So we would build a website. The website would be www.panasonicviera.lgh42dxi.com. That would be the URL of the website, and then the website was all about that particular product, loads and loads of SEO related keywords in it, but all geared towards that model number again. And that worked really, really well until a little thing happened with Google called the Penguin update. If I remember correctly, it was Penguin. And that screwed that up. And so after that, it got difficult to do it. However, I really, really love the Amazon affiliate program. It is really, really good to do. Should you do it for your own business? No, you should not, because that would be robbing Peter to pay Paul. There would be no point in doing that. However, there is, I believe, and I have not tested this is something that I've been toying in my mind. I believe there's a way to set yourself up as an affiliate, to market your own products, to get affiliate links for your own products, and then to use those affiliate links to drive traffic, and thereby you would know with certainty what traffic sources and advertisements worked. Does that make sense? Do you understand how that would work? Yeah, Google banned Brid Pages. That's exactly right, Steve. So that was a complete arse when they did that as well. So it basically just killed my affiliate business. Google did. But you got to adapt. So does that make sense with what I've just said to you? So you set yourself up as an affiliate. You are going to promote your own products, but you use your affiliate links to send traffic to your products. And by doing that, you're able to see what traffic sources are resulting in sales. That is the theory, at least. That is the theory, at least. Now, there is a problem with this, and the problem is with Amazon, you're only allowed to have one affiliate link per item that you promote. So that is the problem with it. So you couldn't, for instance, run your affiliate link through Google Ads, through Facebook, through Bing, through YouTube. You couldn't do that. You'd have to use the same affiliate link for all those different traffic sources, and so it would get the data would get lost. But there is a way, if you ask permission, that they sometimes give you additional links for products so that you can map that out. All right, I hope that makes sense. I haven't done it yet, but it's something that I've been it's been on my mind to do. So if somebody beats me to the punch, let me know how that goes. So Kate says, what about affiliate links for this product sells with that product? Yours is a second product. You affiliate market the first with that product. Well, yes, but no, that wouldn't work, because when you run traffic, you are running it to, let's just go to a page. You're going to run it directly to the product on Amazon. So you would have your own product. Let's suppose that you sold, I don't know, this board game here, for instance, Speak Out. Oh, it's an adult party game. Oops. Well, that could have gone badly. So let's suppose you sell this, and you make yourself an affiliate for this. So you then sell it. Well, the only way you could get those additional sales, i.e. these sales, well, they all come through Amazon. So you can't be an affiliate at that point there. You can't be an affiliate at that point there. You need to be an affiliate at the point prior to this page where you get somebody to the page. That's where you become an affiliate. Who covers the fee given to the affiliate? Amazon covers the fee given to the affiliate. You don't pay that. Amazon pays that. It comes out of their commissions, not your commissions, which is kind of sexy. We love that. Yeah, so there is a way you can do it, Derek. I really like your thinking on it, and it brings up a very interesting thing that I've been thinking about for a while. Yeah, so I hope somebody runs with it. But again, you can only get one affiliate link ordinarily. I have heard you can get more by asking and explaining why you need them. Hey, look, Amazon, here's what I'm running traffic through Facebook, I'm running traffic through Google, yada, yada, yada. I know of one guy in particular who's got 1,000 links all pointing to this particular page, for instance. Not exactly, but you know what I mean. But I don't know how he did it. James, what about send all separate affiliate web links to one website which is linked to Amazon? Yeah, well, that wouldn't really make any difference either. Because if you think about it, the only reason you'd use affiliate links is to track your advertising. If you sent them to a pre-sell page, wouldn't really make any difference. What would be the point of that? You still wouldn't be able to track that through, because you only know, the whole point of tracking is you know when you make a sale. That's the whole point of tracking. Everything else outside of that is bullshit. You want to know when you made a sale, because that's all that matters, if you want to make money at least anyway. So you can only do that through Amazon, through one link. It just wouldn't work otherwise, James. I like your thinking there. How do you, Michelle, this is the last question I'm going to answer on this one, then I'm going to move on. Michelle says, how do you get your product listed to be advertised by others? You don't need to do anything. The very, very second you put your product on Amazon, like this product is on Amazon, the very, very second you do that, it goes immediately into the affiliate program. Notice that they are Amazon's choice for the word spur. I am pretty sure that's not going to help them very, very much, being Amazon's choice for spur. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.